Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I am going to unbox this Amazon package that I have bought. This is an Pigeon Kessel electric kettle, multi-purpose electric kettle. So I am going to cut this edges with this scissors and unbox this. This is the Amazon package. Inside this there will be the brand box of Pigeon Kessel electric multi-purpose kettle. So I bought this product for rupees 799. This was an offer price. Its actual price is I think almost 900 rupees. So that was a offer price on Amazon Freedom Day sale. So I've opened it. As you can see, there is this bill, and inside it there will be the brand box inside the Amazon delivery box. So I'm taking it out. Now we can unbox the brand box and take away the Amazon box to the side. So I'll be unboxing the brand box right now. Again, by using these scissors, I'll be unboxing. So cutting all these sellotapes from the sides using these scissors, you can easily unbox this big box of Pigeon. Okay, so as you can see, this is our product. There is another warranty and manual on the outside, and this is the lid, is the glass lid of the electric kettle. Now we can take out the kettle. First, this is the electric heater. This is the plug and wires and the the heater of the kettle, and this is the electric kettle plate. So I'm going to take this bubble wrap. This is of steel, this electric kettle, and there is a plastic plate inside, and there are some grills, maybe for cooking some noodles, etc. So you can cook noodles, water, etc. in this. There is a temperature control on the sides. There is 70 degree, 100 degree maximum, minimum temperatures can be controlled using this knob. So it's completely made of steel, and this is the point where you connect with the heater. So to not use it, you first connect with the heater, then close the lid and plug it into a power source, then you can use it easily. So this is a multi-purpose electric kettle. That's why there is a grill provided along with it. So you can fill the bottom of the plate with water and put the grill inside and place your eggs, your soups, noodles, rice, etc. above it, and you can cook it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.